Hello and welcome to Nugent Education. Nugent Education work with children and young people in 3 ways. We offer after-school activities for the extended school services, creative arts and educational workshops including Arts Awards qualifications, and we provide artists and entertainers for children's parties and events. St Helens based, we do provide activities to schools and youth centres across the North West, England and North Wales. In fact, we will work anywhere in the UK. The kind of activities we offer are popular urban art and arts workshops that children enjoy, such as rap, MCing, DJing, break and street dance, graffiti art, animation, film, singing, Japanese culture and much more. For more information on any of our products or services, please call one of our friendly team on 0845 481 1920. That's 0845 481 1920. Hope to hear from you soon.